Good morning students, welcome to your GK class. So this video is for class 6 and today we are doing page number 17, famous scientists, and page number 18, inside the internet, from your GK book. So please take out your GK book and get ready. Let's start our exercises of page number 17 and 18. First, we'll do page number 17, children, famous scientist. And these are puzzle. So, we will do across and down. So, one is across and one is down. Okay, children? So, how do you do across? Across means this way and down means you go downwards. Okay, children? So, let's start, children. First, we'll go across. Discover the principles underlying electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism, and electrolysis. He was Michael Faraday. Okay, so Michael Faraday was the one who discovered the principles underlying electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism, and electrolysis. So this is Michael Faraday, children. So in the first number 2 across, you are going to write Michael Faraday. Next, number 5, developed the theory of relativity. So number 5 and here you can see the picture of Albert Einstein. Now next, number 8, children, made observations that laid the foundation of modern physics and astronomy. He was Galileo. 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 Okay, and here I show you the picture of Galileo. He is Galileo. Okay, children, and he was the person who had made many observations that led to the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. Now we are coming to the puzzle across. Number 9, received the Nobel Prize for his understanding of atomic structure and quantum theory. So he was the person who had received the Nobel Prize for understanding the structure of atoms and the quantum theory. So he is Niels Bohr, and here is the picture of Niels Bohr. He is the personality. Next, we are going to down. Okay, so now we'll solve downwards. We'll solve the puzzle downwards. Physicist number 1, physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. She was Marie Curie, and she was the lady Marie Curie who conducted pioneering research and radioactivity. Motion and universal gravitation. So you must be aware of this person, of this famous scientist Isaac Newton, because you must have studied about gravity, and these gravitational forces, laws of motions, were all formulated by Isaac Newton, and this is the picture of Isaac Newton. Now the next downward puzzle is, who was the scientist who discovered penicillin? So it was Alexander Fleming who had discovered penicillin. And here is the picture of Alexander Fleming. He is the person who had discovered penicillin. Now number 6 downward puzzle, children. The Wizard of Menlo Park. So the Wizard of Menlo Park was Thomas Edison. So here is the picture of Thomas Edison. He is Thomas Edison. Now number 7, contributed to the design of the modern alternating current AC electricity supply system. He was Nikola Tesla. Okay, and here is the picture of Nikola Tesla. So this way we complete this page, children, and I will zoom you a bit and show you the puzzle so that you can write it down properly. Okay, so here is the picture, children. So number 1, so you are going to write across and downwards this here across. Number 5, Albert Einstein here across. Number 8 is Galileo. Out here is number 8 across. And then we have got number 9. Number 9 is Niels Bohr. It is out here. So these are all across puzzles. Okay, now I'll show you downward puzzles, the places where you're going to write. So here first you will write in number 1 Marie Curie. So Marie Curie you are going to write out here downwards, you write downwards. Number 3 you are going to write Isaac Newton. So Isaac Newton's place will be this one, so you write downwards this way, Isaac Newton. And number 4, discovered penicillin. So it is Alexander Fleming. So this is number 4. So you are going to write this longest one downwards, Alexander Fleming. And number 6, Thomas Edison. You can see number 6 is out here downwards. So you are going to write Thomas Edison out here. And number 7 is Nikola Tesla. Here you can see this is given number 7, Nikola Tesla. So this is how you are going to complete it. You can see once more, children. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this page. Okay, now we move on to our next page, that is inside the internet. Now this about it, filling the blanks using the help box. Now children, number 1, a dash is the shortened form of a weblog. So usually when we say weblog, we don't say it, sometimes we say only blog, but that is the shortened form of weblog. Number 2, to download means to copy data from one computer system to another using the internet. So this, I think you all are aware of it. Usually when you copy data from or any documents from one computer to another computer, that is using the internet, then that is known as download. Number 3, the unique address of any web document. When there is a web document and you have an address for it, that is known as URL. Okay, that is known as URL. Number 4, the dash sign is used in email addresses between the user's name and the domain name. So that is at the rate. You must be having some email addresses. So you always use at the rate in between your name and the domain name. Domain name is either you are using Gmail, Yahoo Mail, so whatever you are using, so you will have this at the rate in between. Number 5, to dash means to move from one website to another on the internet. That is to surf. Means when you are going from one website, you are opening one website, then you are again shifting to another website. That is known as surf. Number 6, a dash is a software program that which helps you and to see different web pages and other documents using the internet. Number 7, www is a URL which stands for World Wide Web. Okay, World Wide Web. So 3 W's and the full form is World Wide and Web. Number 8, in browsers, dash is used to identify a space where the web pages that you have visited are stored in the computer. It's a cache. So whenever you are viewing something, it gets stored in the gadget, so that in your computer or say mobile. So when it gets when it gets stored out there, it is known as cache, and this cache is used to identify a space where the web pages that you have visited are stored in the computer. So here you can see the help box is also provided, children. So if you have any problem, you can just check out the help box also. The answers are written besides, the numbers are given of the correct answer, so you can tally with that also. Okay children, so with this we are coming to end of page number 18. So this much only we are going to do today from your GK book. The rest of in the next pages onwards we will do it in our next class. Okay, this much for today children. Thank you very much children.